The famous Leicester Square. There's Mr. Gold. See Mr. Gold? All these flags of all these different countries. Famous Leicester Square, London, central London, in the West End. Look, Lego shop, Lego store, caricatures, artists. Look, Mr. Gold. Look at Mr. Gold. Go.
Yeah. Take me a picture.
Yeah, go on. In the video.
Really?
Yeah, in the video. Wonderful. Wonderful. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right, let's go walk in Chinatown, right? This way. M&M's.
Shake Shack.
Look at these little tricycles. They charge a fortune to carry tourists around the block for 5 minutes and make loud music. We're now coming into Chinatown. Stay close. The world famous Chinatown, London. W, it's a cinema. It's a nice car.
Some football hooligans gonna.
World famous Chinatown. Let's go into it proper.
Okay, alright, sounds good.
Love the smell of food. If you like Chinese food, this is a place to come. You get tourist food and you get authentic. If you could only smell the smells of these Chinese food, makes you hungry even if you weren't hungry. hungry, angry, whatever. Wonderful smells. Like my juice is wrong. I'm dribbling. Every shop here is Chinese, selling all the different varieties of food from China you can imagine, and all the different provinces are represented here. Because as you know, each province has their own specialities, too numerous to mention. We're going into Chinatown proper now. That was just a little side street. Look at the crowds. Crowds and crowds and crowds of people. Queue car park, always full, especially tonight. We tried to park here. We had to drive away and go somewhere else because the queue to park in there was so long. Now this is Chinatown proper. Crowds, crowds and crowds. We go down one side and come up the other, so you can get a view of all the different restaurants. Loads and loads. So many menus to look at. Crowds of people. Everybody's hungry, willing to queue for good food. Can't beat it.
Swahili.
Non parle italien.
You try Spanish?
Oh, look at this. Is that not juicy? Does that not get your juices flowing? You want to go in there and eat? No.
No, I don't really. Guys previously had like a mustard chicken sandwich.
All sorts of food to tempt you. Golden Dragon. Look, you want to be tempted by Golden Dragon? Oh, the Royal China. Famous London phone box. We don't use them anymore, but they're just there. Silver time. Let's have a look here. What's going on around here? You want a bit of Chinese medicine? Oh, they're catered for here as well. The genuine article. Golden Phoenix. Long's Legend. Paddy Power, we don't want Paddy Power. And we're going up here to our most favourite restaurant. Not this one. This one. What's it called? New Loon Fung. New Loon Fung. We're going up here.